At Meridian, we've done a lot of research over the years, a lot of development, especially in the area of digital audio. When digital audio was really at its infancy, we spent a lot of time trying to figure out how to do it right. And if you look at the papers, if you look at the art literature, you'll see that Meridian, in fact, wrote the book on things like dither, on linearity, jitter. We discovered jitter. We worked out how to fix it. So there's a number of core technologies for audio that we have dealt with. But the question you're asking is, did we do anything for the benefit of the industry? And the answer is yes. At a certain point, especially when DVD was in its primacy, we figured out, we really thought that it was time to give something back to the industry that we had worked in, that had given us so much. And that led to the development of how to make sound better and how to do a format that would actually benefit the music industry and the electronics industry. Well, that's quite a tough question to ask and to answer, because I'm always very proud of the things that I've been doing recently. And like any engineer, like any designer, the new kid that you've just done is something you're pretty excited about. But the things that really excited me the most, and the things I was most proud of, were the things that moved the industry forward. And for example, when we developed MLP, the lossless compression system we did for DVD audio, being elected, winning that competition was a very, very big moment, because we knew that we'd done something very significant. And it's typical of the kind of thing that happens at Meridian. We have a research wing, we're working on things like this, and maybe there'll be more news like that in the future. So wireless audio is very interesting. There's a lot of potential. There's a lot of work to be done, a lot of research to be done. There is an issue of performance. If you want the very, very best performance, moving high bandwidth audio with no jitter, no errors, that's the problem that we're working on. At CES we're showing the new editions of our loudspeakers, the special edition. One of the things that we're very proud of is that Meridian introduced digital loudspeakers 25 years ago, which is really quite a long time ago. And in all this time, we've made tremendous advances. Advances in the digital technology, advances in the crossover design, advances in the way we put the whole thing together. And more recently, we've introduced things like enhanced space alignment. These speakers are quite a step forward, because we're bringing a lot of advantages in the way we mount the drivers, new drive units, new electronics, new oscillators, things like that step the performance up considerably. These speakers are more dynamic and clearer than anything we've done before.